Kelly based beat.
Look, I couldn't even take an L in a Lexus.
Jess, cough up the boat. Oh my gosh, free. Girl, cough up the boat.
Fight. Monsoons fight. F-I-G-H-T. Fight. Monsoons fight. F-I-G-H-T. Fight. Monsoons fight. Jada. Cough up the boat. Mr. Wright, you got your diagnosis back. You gotta cough up the boat. Keenan, brother, aren't you gonna vote today? It's election day. No? You mean to tell me that you're a registered voter and you're not gonna vote? He needs to cough up the vote. Cough up the vote! Got your diagnosis back.